देश यहाँ का हर बच्चा सेनानी है। हम दीपक बन तिल तिल जल कर जग को पथ दिखाएंगे, भेदभाव सारे कर विस्मित सबको गले लगाएंगे। कर सतयुग निर्माण सभी को शाश्वत सुखी मनाएंगे। जनगण मन में देशभक्ति की जगमग ज्योति जगानी है। यह है भारत देश, यहाँ का हर बच्चा सेनानी है। Now to continuing the program, we want to hand over the mic to Shami ma'am.
I again welcome you all in Spectrum 2012. As you all know, Bhagwanti Lal Memorial Society is running the school and students are doing well in their academics. So, to appreciate their performance in academics, I want to request Mr. Manoj Mittal ji and Mrs. Aarti Agarwal ji to please come on the stage and give the prizes to our meritorious students. Mr. Pankaj Agarwal ji and Mrs. Aarti Agarwal ji, please come on the stage. First prize goes to Shubhi Balian. Second prize goes to Kartik Singh. And the third prize goes to Aditi Saini. I request to all please make a huge sound of applause for our meritorious students and also for their parents, because parents mold the future of a child. In class LKG, first prize goes to Krishna Dikshit. Second prize goes to Parth Malik and the third prize goes to Radhika Bansal. And now moving to class UKG, first prize goes to Parakshi Malik. Second prize goes to Ishan Saini and the third prize goes to Varnika Kashyap. Moving further to first onwards, in class first prize goes to Parv Gupta with 97.8%. Second prize goes to Ayushi Gupta with 96.7%. In class second, first prize goes to Gautam Kumar with 96.6%. Second prize goes to Nandini Bansal, 96.4%. And the third prize goes to Vranda Sangal with 92.4%. Please make a huge sound of applause for these students. In class third, first prize goes to Mansi Balian with 88.39%. Second prize goes to Ritik Sharma with 87.28%. And the third prize goes to Kajal Kataria with 84.6%. First prize goes to Aditi Goyal with 91.44%. Second prize goes to Kirti Daksh with 90.61%. And the third prize goes to Aryan Chaturvedi with 88.27%. In class 5th, first prize goes to Khushi Sharma with 94.38%. Second prize goes to Parul Malik with 89.71%. And the third prize goes to Pavni Sharma with 88.67%. In class 6th, first prize goes to Shefali Khanne with 86.14%. Second prize goes to Anushi Sharma with 81.23%. And the third prize is shared by the two students, Mehak Balian and Tania Malik with 79.23%. In class 7th, first prize goes to Sahil Balian with 85.38%. Second prize goes to Nikita with 80.23%. And again, third prize is shared by two students, Vidhi and Suraj, with 79.9%. In class 8th, first prize goes to Manvi Singh with 86.24%. Second prize goes to Vipul Tyagi with 84.14%. Please bless our meritorious students for a bright future with huge sound of applause. This time, the S.C. Agarwal Scholarship is given to two students, Nikita and Sahil. They both are all-rounder in studies and also takes part in co-curricular activities and concerned about their school. I once again request you all to please give a big hand of applause for Sahil and Nikita. Now I am heartily thankful to our guest of honors for giving their precious time for blessing our meritorious students. Thanks, sir. Thanks a lot. I once again request you all to please give them a big hand. Thanks a lot, sir, to give your precious time to our meritorious students. Now I request to our respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Meenakshi Mittal, please come and read out the Annual Report 2012.
Thank you, Shambi. Honorable guest of honor, Shri Pankaj Agrawal ji and Shrimati Aarti Agrawal ji, members of management committee, distinguished guests, principals of different schools, media persons, parents, guardians, and ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on this vibrant occasion of annual function. This is matter of great pleasure and privilege to have Shri Pankaj Agrawal ji, Chairman of Municipal Corporation with us. I am very delighted to welcome you, sir. Very warm welcome, sir. The foundation of New Horizon School is laid by Shri Subhash Chandra Agrawal ji. He was a dynamic and great philanthropist. On the behalf of all members of New Horizon School, I pay tribute to him. He is forever present in our hearts and minds. We deeply miss him. His values and principles remains a source of guidance for all of us. He will always be our guiding force. Neither time nor distance can take him away from our heart. We pledge to continue his vision and ideals and remember to never give up, as when the going gets tough, the tougher gets going. With a feeling of pride, I may mention that the school has grown in its size, ambition and aspiration. It is determined to maintain its progress in pursuit of excellence. Our special emphasis is laid on discipline, character formation and all-round development. As all of you know, early years are the most crucial year for the children. And during these formative years, a strong foundation in education has to be made. This alone will help a child to be successful in future life. This is where, as most of parents would agree with me, we have been contributing and shall do so with more zeal and sincerity. We have aspired towards qualitative education through various activities like school exhibition, project work, celebration of national festivals and religious festivals, quizzes, debate and different competitions like drawing competition, mehendi competition, salad making competition, rangoli competition, best out of waste competition, calligraphy and so many more. Students of New Horizon participates in different national levels, state level and district level competition like National Talent Search Examination, Saviors, that is a competition of environment education, Cyber Olympiad. One student of class 4, Ritik Sharma, has bagged gold medal in state level gymnastic competition that was held in Agra. Our students participate in singing, dancing and drawing competition arranged by various clubs and NGOs. This has been due to good teaching methods and dedicated teachers and staff members who constantly undergo through workshops and seminars. It is because of them that we have been able to maintain academic proficiency, exemplary discipline and good standard of co-curricular activities. Now, education is shift from rote learning to thinking mind. Receiving the nerve of time, the school has provided well-equipped computer lab, overhead projector, audio-visual well-equipped lab to make students able to learn interaction and communication skill. I take pride to inform that school has successfully managed to maintain 100% result from nursery to 8th standard. S.C. Agrawal ji scholarship is given to two students, Sahil Balian and Nikita of class 8th. It is true that all the success is result of the labor of teachers and students, but parents also deserve the same appreciation and thanks, as without their cooperation, first two factors would have been weak. But I request to parents to pay more attention towards their wards, as the pace of development with a multi-dimensional assault of media on the thoughts process and living styles are turning them to highly stress prone, and as a result, their behavior is turning to negative approach.